Hello guys, how are you all? So I have a Samsung Galaxy here, and some times ago I realized that I couldn't play some games or open some apps on my mobile phone because they were crashing. So I tried many tutorials on internet to fix this problem, but nothing worked. And after that I figured out an alternative solution. And in this tutorial I will explain you how to do that in order to fix it. So you need to know how to enable this folder on your mobile phone. This is a security folder. So you have to go here, security folder, settings, secure folder, secure folder, and you have to enable this option here. Just it. And after that, for example, I will show you my app crashing again. Now I will install this program here in the security folder. I will install it again to show you. Now the game is working. So I hope this can solve your issues, and at least for me it solved. And have a great day. Bye guys.